If you've ever tried to build a website and thought, why can't I just move this one thing where I want it to go? This video is for you. Maybe you love design. Maybe you have a vision for your website, but a lot of website platforms force you to choose between really limited templates or spending thousands of dollars on a developer. And that's exactly why I use Showit. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what Showit is, how it works, and whether it's the right platform for your business. So first, what is Showit? Showit is a drag and drop website builder designed specifically for creatives and small business owners. So think Canva, but for your entire website. You can move elements anywhere. You can resize images and change fonts. You can overlap photos in a really fun way, adjust spacing pixel by pixel, all without any code. And here's what makes it different. You're not locked into rigid template structures. If you want your headline off center, you can do that. If you want layered images and custom layouts, you can also do that. Showit gives you complete creative control. So why would you choose this over something else? First, complete design freedom. If you can design it in your head, you can build it in Showit. Second, no coding. If you can use Canva, you can learn Showit. Third, you can update it yourself. So change a headline, add a service page, swap out photos. You're not emailing a developer and waiting 2 weeks for them to actually get back to you. Fourth, mobile customization. And this is huge. Most platforms just shrink your desktop down for mobile and it looks kind of awkward. But with Showit, you design your mobile layout separately, which means that your site actually looks intentional on a phone. And that matters because these days, most of your traffic is probably coming from mobile devices. So who is Showit for? Showit is ideal for photographers who need their work to shine and designers who want their portfolio to reflect their skill, and creative entrepreneurs like coaches and planners and educators who care about aesthetics. And honestly, it's great for anyone who's ever said, why won't this platform just let me move it? Now, here's what makes Showit really smart. It integrates with WordPress. So Showit handles your main website design, so homepage, about page, services, portfolio, and WordPress handles your blog. And why does that matter? WordPress is really powerful when it comes to SEO, and it supports robust blogging tools and plugins, and it's a platform that Google trusts. So you get design freedom on your main pages and strong blogging capabilities for ranking content. Your blog lives in WordPress, but it looks seamless inside your Showit site. It's kind of the best of both worlds. So let's quickly compare it to a few other platforms. So first up, Showit versus Squarespace. Squarespace has beautiful templates, but you're working inside their structure. You can swap out images and colors, but full layout freedom is really limited unless you want to add some code. If you want total control, Showit wins. Showit versus Wix. Wix is a drag and drop editor too, but it uses its own blogging system, and Showit uses WordPress. So if SEO and blogging are important to you, that WordPress integration gives you more flexibility and a lot more long-term growth potential. Showit versus Elementor. Elementor gives you drag and drop design inside of WordPress, but you're managing hosting and plugins and updates and conflicts. And if something breaks, you're troubleshooting it, and it probably will break at some point. With Showit, hosting is included, updates are handled, and everything is built to work together. It's a much more simple system. So a few quick answers to questions that you might have. First up, is it beginner friendly? Yes, if you can use Canva, you can use Showit. 2, can you use your own domain name? Yes, 100%. They even walk you through that whole setup so that you don't have to figure it all out yourself. Does mobile design actually look good? Yes, because you're designing it intentionally. And a lot of templates already come with a lot of this work done for you. Plans start around $19 a month, hosting is included, and there's a 30-day free trial. And no, you don't need to know how to code. So if you want to try Showit, here's how I'd start. Grab a template. It gives you some structure and strategy and a professional design from day one. Our Showit templates are built strategically for creative businesses. They're fully customizable, mobile optimized, and designed to convert. Use the 30-day free trial to explore the platform and then make it yours. Update the copy, add your photos, change the colors, add your logo, and keep evolving it as your business grows. So that's Showit. Creative freedom, no coding, WordPress for blogging, and full control in your hands. If you're ready to try it, check out the links below and tell me in the comments which platform are you currently using.